Hello, my Princess House foodie friends. If it is Monday, then it's time for Miracle Dish Monday with Linda Bradley. So today I have a really fun recipe for you from one of my favorite websites. It's called laughingspatula.com and it's for baked cauliflower buffalo bites. I think it's baked buffalo cauliflower bites. There you go. So it's using cauliflower, duh, and you're going to make an egg wash, which is basically three eggs and 1 tablespoon of half and half, and then you're going to go ahead and make the actual breading top. And I used panko breadcrumbs. They're a little bit thicker, crunchier than regular breadcrumbs. So this was 1.5 cups of breadcrumbs, and then to that you add a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of pepper, a teaspoon of paprika, and a teaspoon of garlic, and you make it mixed really well. You go ahead and take your cauliflower and just break it into little florets, and then you're going to put it in the egg wash and then put it in your panko crumbs, and you're going to generously coat it. Now I'm using the Fantasía Fresh 9x13 pan. I did go ahead and put a little coat of olive oil on the bottom. I want you to be careful. We don't like sprays, because a lot of the times the sprays, they leave an ugly residue. So if you ever need to add oil to a pan, just put a little bit of oil on a paper towel and put it around the bottom. All right, I already started this so it wouldn't take too long, right? Can you see it? And then this is what we're going to do. We're just going to go ahead and put it in the egg wash, put it in the panko crumbs, and of course if you like things a little bit spicier, you can put some red pepper flakes in here. That'll give it a little bit of an extra kick. And then we're going to bake it in a 400-degree oven for 10 to 15 minutes. Then, while it's baking, we're going to go ahead and make the actual buffalo part. So that we're going to take good old Frank's buffalo. Let's see how much they tell us of that. 1/2 cup of the Frank's buffalo sauce. We're going to take 1/2 cup of melted butter. 1/2 cup? Yep, 1/2 cup. And 2 tablespoons of honey. So once it comes out of the oven the first time, we're going to take our little basting brush and we're going to baste each piece with the buffalo sauce, and then we're going to put it back in the oven for 7 to 10 minutes, and then it's ready to go. So don't tell anybody that it's cauliflower, because they won't know. And it's a great way to get your vegetables in, especially if you do like spicy things. They're fun because you can just pick at them. They'd be great for a party. So the next time you get invited, you might want to try it. I will come back and show you the finished product as always, and I will give you the recipe. And I'm always looking to try new recipes.